Hi everyone, this is your first lecture for 2.6. In this lecture, we're still dealing with word problems, and we're going to talk about some percents in word problems, okay? In these problems, when they mention a number, you can call that number whatever you choose. I usually choose X. So X means equals 35%, and you got to make sure to write the percent as a decimal, okay? You cannot write 35. To make 35% a decimal, remember you divide by 100 or move the decimal point to the left 2 places. So 0.35 of means times 40. Now in this problem, it's kind of nice. Do you see how it's already solved for X? So all we got to do is multiply the 0.35 and the 40 to get 14. Okay. Now this says the number 240. So it didn't say a number. So 240 means equals what percent, and we're going to call that X because that's our unknown, of means times 800. To solve for X, we got to divide both sides by 800. And we get 0.3 equals X. But this says percent. 0.3 is the decimal. So if we want to change that decimal to a percent, we have to move that decimal point 2 places to the right to get 30%. Okay. Again, follow it word for word. 42 means equals 35% as a decimal is 0.35, of means times what number? X. To get X by itself, I have to divide by 0.35 on both sides. So 42 divided by 0.35 is 120. Let's look at one more in this lecture, okay? In 2015, the population of the United States was 320 million. If 26% of the population were millennials, or individuals born between 82 and 2000, determine the number of millennials. So 26%, and we have to write it as a decimal, of means times the population, which is referring back to this 320 million, equals, and this time I'm going to use M to represent millennials. Okay, so what's 320 million times 0.26? 83,200,000. Right? Yep. That's the end of this lecture for the first of 6.2.6. I apologize.